Next we're going to fold in our whipped cream. Just take that whipped cream that we've whipped and scrape it all into the egg white and chocolate mixture. And continue folding in the same method. Cutting and folding over, cutting and folding over. And you'll see it will blend in nicely. And when it's a uniform color, not striated like that, then you'll be finished. Just cut, fold, and turn. And you can scrape down the sides occasionally while turning the bowl. And you're just looking for, when you fold over, that the mousse is uniform. Okay, that looks good. And now we will, we can either pour it into our single serving cups, or we can put it into our crust to be frozen.